This was in the news today.
I saw this trending as well. This was right under Trump.
Uh-huh.
Tekashi69 brutally attacked in Florida gym, rushed to hospital. Yeah, he has his fair share of enemies, right?
Yes.
And that's kind of been the thing, because he's always calling people on, you're not going to do anything, or come see me, come find me, whatever. And
he also, I guess in the street world, he was considered a rat.
Yeah, right. Well, listen, I see some blood here, but ultimately, I don't think he looks, I don't know how hard, I don't know what's going on, but.
There was a video. I don't want to show it because it's actually quite brutal. You see one man jumping and kicking him while he's on the ground. And Tekashi was trying to protect his face. It's quite brutal.
Video has surfaced showing a portion of the attack. You can see one man continuously hit Tekashi while the rapper does his best to defend his face. He's like probably dazed and KO'd, sort of. Savagely beaten by a group of men inside a South Florida gym. With injuries so bad, the controversial rapper was rushed to hospital by an ambulance. His attorney says the rapper was inside the sauna Tuesday at an LA Fitness when all of a sudden he was attacked by several guys without warning. Lazaro says 69 tried to fight off the combatants, but there were too many of them, beating him to a pulp before fleeing. He did not have security with him at the time of the attack. Gym staff heard the commotion and immediately notified a manager. Police and EMS were then called to the scene, and he was transported to hospital by ambulance.
So at the end of the video, he was able to walk up and just walk out of the change room. So he wasn't like unconscious or anything like that. But
I mean, who knows what the motive is, what transpired prior, if this was targeted, if this was for some previous. You're just not going to know. It's currently unclear if the gym attack had anything to do with Tekashi's cooperation. Well, they're talking about with the police. But I don't know if those type guys work that way. I think they might just shoot you. Like this, I don't know. I'm not even gonna try to speculate. I don't know.
Yeah.
But it's rough.
Yeah.
Pretty rough. Not good.